Saving your banking card information online, a convenient option, but is it really safe? Let's find out. Saving card information makes future purchases quick and easy, but this convenience comes with risks overspending, unauthorized purchases by others, and, most importantly, fraud. The first major risk is data breaches. The more websites your card information is stored on, the higher the chance of it being compromised if any of those sites are hacked. Saved card information can be accessed by anyone who has your device. This includes curious kids, thieves, and cybercriminals using malware. Some websites require a CVV for each purchase, adding a layer of protection, enable multi-factor authentication, and set up transaction alerts to stay informed. Reduce your risk by deleting saved cards from websites, monitoring transactions, and using credit cards instead of debit cards. Report any suspicious activity immediately. While saving your card information is convenient, it's not without risks. Next time, consider clicking No to stay safe online. Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.